shopping. This is Bhavanya here. Exercise 1.3 second sum. If A is equals to a matrix and B is equals to a matrix, find the products AB and BA and hence solve the system of equations. Solution. Equation they are given A matrix and B matrix and we have to find the product of AB and BA and we have to solve the three equations. First you are finding the product of AB. The product of AB is equals to the A matrix is multiplied with B matrix. So the first row with first column in the first element place and the first row with second column second element place. Like that we have to multiply. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 1 into 3 is plus 3, 3 into 2 is plus 6, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. Same like that, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9. Same we have to multiply everything. By solving this, we will get the answer like this. AB is equals to 400, 040, 00 and 4. In this, we can take 4 as commonly outside. 4 if we take outside, inside there will be 100, 010, 001. This is the identity matrix. So, we are writing this as 4I3. This is equation 1. AB is equals to 4I3. Next we can find the product of BA. BA is equals to the B matrix is multiplied with A matrix. Same here also while multiplying and solving this we will get a matrix same as the previous 400, 040, 00 and 4. In this 4 we should keep as common and inside it will be 100, 010, 00 and 1. This is the identity matrix. So BA is equals to 4I3. This is equation 2. We found the value of AB and BA. Next we should solve this 3 equation. So by solving this we should write as the coefficient of XYZ first and it is one matrix and it should be multiplied with the the variable XYZ which is equals to a product side. So the coefficient of X is 1, coefficient of Y is 1, coefficient of Z is 2. So in every equation we should write the coefficient value and make a matrix. It should be multiplied with the variable matrix XYZ which is equals to a right hand side 1, 7 and 2. We are taking it as another matrix. This is A matrix, this is X matrix which is equals to a B matrix. And we should find the value of XYZ, this X matrix. So keeping X as it is, we should take this A to the other side. X is equals to A inverse into B. So X is equals to A inverse into B. A inverse formula is 1 by modulus A into adjoint A. In this, we know this. Again we are taking a condition. We are framing a condition that is the product of AB is equals to BA which is equals to 4I3. We are framing a condition like this and we should compare this condition with the property A into adjoint A which is equals to adjoint A into A which is equals to modulus A into I3. We should compare this both the equation in finding the XYZ. If we observe this matrix, this is matching with this B matrix. So the B matrix is there, the A matrix. If that is matching, we can compare the both the equations. So X is equals to modulus A. If we compare this both the condition and the property, we will get as modulus A is equals to 4. So 1 by 4 into, we know the formula, modulus A into adjoint A. Adjoint A is, we should take as A matrix. In a question they are given a A matrix that we should take here. So into B matrix. This B matrix we should multiply there. So X is equals to 1 by 4 into, if we multiply both the matrix, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 1 into 7 is 7, 3 into 2 is 6, 7 into 1 is 7, 1 into 7 is 7, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, 1 into 2 is 2. If we add that, we will get 8, 4 and minus 4. We should take this 1 by 4 inside the matrix. That is, if we take inside 8 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, minus 4 divided by 4. So if we divide each value by 4, we will get the answer as 2, 1 and minus 1. This 2 is X, 1 is Y and minus 1 is Z value. This is the answer. Like, share and comment. Subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.